Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MSM powder for hair growth. First, understand that MSM, or methylsulfonylmethane, is an organic sulfur compound. It's believed to support keratin production, which is a vital protein for healthy hair. This can lead to stronger strands and less breakage. Research suggests that consistent use may improve hair volume and reduce brittleness, contributing to overall hair health. When considering MSM powder, dosage is important. Oral supplementation typically ranges from 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily, often divided into doses. Some studies have used up to 4 grams daily, which is generally well tolerated. MSM's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are thought to benefit the scalp, potentially extending the hair's growth phase, leading to longer and stronger hair over time. There are several ways to use MSM powder. Many people take it orally by dissolving the powder in water or fruit juice, as it can have a bitter taste. You can also incorporate MSM powder into your existing hair care products like shampoos and conditioners. For a direct approach, create a topical spray by dissolving the powder in water and applying it to your scalp, leaving it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for maximum absorption. Before adding MSM to your routine, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying conditions. While generally well tolerated, some mild side effects like headaches or nausea can occur. For best results, consistency is crucial. Measurable improvements in hair growth may take 2 to 4 months of daily use. Remember, MSM is considered generally recognized as safe, but ongoing research continues to explore its full benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.